Are you struggling to understand your W-2 form? Let's break down this crucial document and make tax season a breeze. Hi, I'm Michael Clark. I'm here to explain what the W-2 form is and how to read it. Tax season can feel overwhelming with all the paperwork and deadlines, especially if you're not familiar with tax documents. The W-2 form is particularly important because it helps you file your taxes smoothly. A W-2 form is a report that employers give their employees. It has sections labeled A through F and boxes numbered from 1 to 20. Some of these sections and boxes include your social security number, your employer's identification number, and both of your addresses. This information helps the IRS, and you keep track of your taxable earnings and how much money was withheld for taxes. At first glance, the W-2 form might seem like a complicated collection of boxes and codes. However, if you look closer, you'll see that it provides a clear summary of your financial year. If you have more questions, you can book a free call with SK Financial. For more information, visit us at skfinancial.com or contact us at +1 813 322 3936 or mail us at sk@skfinancial.com